Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to change home address on Google Maps. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Maps, open it, and after that, click on your picture on the top right of the screen, and after that, go to your data in Maps. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down a little bit until you will find the option Home and Work Addresses. Click on Home. And as you can see here, to edit or to modify or to change your home address, you have just to write the new address on the top of the screen, or click on Choose on Map and choose your new address. And after that, you have just to click on Save. And after that, click on Save again in this screen. And like that, you will change your home address. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next video.